Hello, fellow traders. So back at this trade, I made the last video, I believe, before this big spike. We had a turning point in the race on the 15, and the next one is gonna be actually today and then 21. So we might see a bounce, so don't get caught in this noise. We still have a few elections reversal here at 11 and 12. I believe it's gonna be a spike up a bit, maybe 21st. You can see the stochastic, so momentum is rising, but then PP prepared this week, 26th. We'll see when it's gonna be a good end. I believe 22nd, 23rd, and I'll show you the raise and reversals in the private blog, so you can see the potential there. But again, this was a great trade. I chickened out about here, but if the reversals are correct, we're looking way above 65. Unfortunately, you cannot trade really the VIX future, is expensive. What you can do is try UVIX or UVXC or for VIX for the short. I placed the short here, currently it's 40%. And now you're looking to go at 65. So you can get UVIX, I think, for 420, and then you can go back up to 16 to 18. Again, this is not financial advice, just a matter of speculation. Treat it as it is. Then just don't play all your bucks. Be careful and add trailing stops. For this one, I think 10% trailing stop is good because it's very volatile. Good luck.